Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Can you recognize these plants? Yes, these are our onion plants. We planted these onion plants in the winter season. We actually propagated the onions using two ways. First is that we divided the bulb into 4 parts and planted it into the soil. We have also propagated our plants from seeds. We had already uploaded a video on how you can also grow your onion plants. Besides the onions, we can also get spring onions. And as you know, spring onions can be used in many dishes. And do you know we not even use any chemical fertilizers to grow these onion plants? Yes, as you know, we only do organic gardening. That's why my mom used kitchen waste compost. And sometimes she also used some organic liquid fertilizers for the plants. Look at our plant's condition after 3 months. When your onion plant will also be 3 months, you'll be able to notice that the leaves are starting to dry. During this time, it is very important that you do not water the plant. Because if we do not stop watering our plants, then the mature onions will rot. Now you can easily harvest your onion plants by your necessities. If we every day harvest 1 part only, it will be enough for us. Just look at the amount of onions we got from 1 pot only. These onions are exactly not the same species of onions that you buy in the market. Actually, these onions are supposed to stay small only. Also, do you know they taste way better than the onions that you buy in your market? Also, if you're thinking about harvesting many onions together, then make sure that you do not cut the leaves. Because not cutting the leaves will help the onions store better. We planted some onions on the pots and the other on the vegetable beds. Like this, we harvested onions every day according to our needs. But unfortunately, due to unexpected rain, we had to harvest all of the onions. Look, while harvesting also she is not removing the leaves. Because as I told before, they will help your onions store better. And the onions will stay fresh for a longer period of time. I hope this video helped you on how you can also grow your own onion plant. That too in an organic way. Just look at how many onions we harvested from our own garden. I hope you will be also able to grow these many onions from your garden as well. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.